Hello guys, welcome back to Zik, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox automatically closing. So if you stay for a while and your Roblox keep closing on its own, maybe like after 5 minutes or 6 minutes, that's just a bug issue and the system is just having that problem. So after updates, you keep having that default that disturbance actually, and you want to fix this. So all you need to do is open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, you're going to go and search for Microsoft Store. Once you search for that, this is a Microsoft Store for actually Windows, so you can just go there and search for Roblox. So once you search for Roblox, you are going to see Roblox right here. Click on it and you are going to find a download right here. Click on download and this is going to download, and once you start using this one, it's going to work perfectly for you. So this is actually how to just fix that problem. So instead of using the other version, you can just use this Roblox you just installed from Microsoft Store. So you can see it's going to start installing now from Microsoft Store. So after doing this, your Roblox is now going to close up automatically. So if you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in this video. Bye.